Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Nokia T21. For this you will need to open your Google Play Store. Here find Microsoft Edge. When it's ready, you'll be able to open it, and now let's customize the browser by signing in and turning on synchronization, but I'm gonna skip it with sign in later, accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as the default browser, and from here you can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.